Launching a product can be overwhelming. You've spent months, maybe even years, creating something that you believe in. But when it comes time to put it into the world, the fear of failure, poor timing, or lack of customer interest can hold you back. In this video, you'll learn how to launch a product step by step to avoid common mistakes and maximize your chances of success. Step 1. Understand your market and target audience. Many businesses skip this part, thinking their product is for everyone, and that's a costly mistake. To solve this, conduct research to know who your ideal customers are. What problems are they facing? How does your product solve those problems? What do they value? You can gather this information through surveys, social media, or competitor analysis. Step 2. Create a unique value proposition. Next, you need to stand out in the market. If you're launching a product that is just like everything else out there, it won't capture attention. Think about what makes your product different. Is it a feature, a benefit, the price, or the experience that it offers? Craft a UVP that highlights this difference and make sure that it's visible in all your marketing materials. Step 3. Build buzz before the launch. One of the most common mistakes is launching a product without any prior build-up. People need time to get excited, learn about your product, and understand how it can help them. To build buzz, start talking about your product on social media, tease features, and maybe even offer exclusive previews. You can create a waiting list or offer special deals for early adopters. By doing this, you're creating a sense of urgency and excitement before the product is even available. Step 4. Set clear launch goals. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and realistic. For example, aim for 1,000 pre-orders in the first month or to gain 10,000 new email subscribers. Once your goals are in place, align your marketing efforts and resources to achieve them. Step 5. Create a strong marketing plan. This plan should include strategies for email marketing, social media campaigns, influencer outreach, paid ads, and partnerships. Make sure to use a variety of marketing tactics to increase your reach. Test different messages and ads to see what resonates the most with your audience. Step 6. Focus on a smooth launch day. Launch day is critical, and any technical issues or miscommunications can derail all your hard work. To prevent this, ensure your website and systems are ready to handle the traffic. Have customer support on standby for any issues. Also, make sure that your marketing materials and messaging are all aligned. And step 7. Gather feedback and iterate. You can gather feedback through surveys, reviews, or by engaging with your audience on social media. Use this data to improve future versions of your product or create updates that meet your customers' needs. At last, please like, share, and subscribe to get more videos.